Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Real Life TV. We have gone on a long journey together. We learned how to recognize spiritual attacks, how to protect ourselves daily, and when to seek professional help. Now, we come to the most important part of this journey: healing. A spiritual attack can leave us feeling drained, scared, and out of alignment. Simply stopping the attack isn't enough. We need to repair the damage and restore our spiritual strength. Today, we are going to talk about rituals and practices for cleansing, realigning, and rebuilding your energy after a spiritual attack. This video is about moving from a state of fear and defense to a state of peace and empowerment. This is not just about survival. It is about coming out of the experience stronger than you were before. The first step in healing is to cleanse yourself and your space. Think of it like taking a deep shower to wash away the spiritual dirt left behind by the attack. A spiritual bath is one of the most effective tools for cleansing. You can use simple but powerful ingredients, such as sea salt is excellent for purification. You can add cleansing herbs to your bath water. As you take this bath, speak your intention out loud. Say something like, I am washing away all negativity, all heaviness, and all the effects of the spiritual attack. I am cleansing my spirit and my energy. I am fresh and new. Visualize the dark energy leaving your body and going down the drain. Your home also needs to be cleansed. After a spiritual attack, negative energy can linger in corners and on surfaces. You can also create a protective wash with sea salt, and you can as well do your further research with your babalawo to get some items to use for this purpose. As you do this, you are not just cleaning, you are setting a spiritual boundary. Once you are clean, you need to realign your spirit. A spiritual attack can knock your spiritual compass out of sync. This part of the process is about recentering yourself and reconnecting with your destiny. Honoring your ori. So, after an attack, it is crucial to spend extra time honoring your ori. Your ori is your personal destiny and your greatest protector. Spend quiet time with your ori. Meet with a babalawo to help you appease your health, or you can learn how to do it yourself. Ask your ori to help you realign with your true path and to heal the spiritual wounds you have experienced. Take time each day to speak positive words and affirmations about your life. Say things like, my health is returning, my finances are flowing, my relationships are peaceful, and so on and so forth, and as the case may be in your own case. The power of your words, your ashe, is key to rebuilding your reality. You are actively telling the universe and your spirit that you are healing and you are realigning with your destiny. The attack may have disrupted your daily spiritual practices. It's time to slowly and intentionally return to them. Resume your daily prayers, your meditations, and your connection with your ancestors and the Orishas. This consistency is like a spiritual workout that strengthens your energy and rebuilds your shield. Healing is not just about the past, it's about the future. After a spiritual attack, you need to be more vigilant about protecting your energy. Be mindful of who you allow into your life and your home. Not everyone has good intentions. Protect your energy by setting clear boundaries with people who bring negativity or drama into your life. You have the right to protect your peace. Continue to learn and grow in your spiritual paths. The more knowledge you have, the stronger you become. Read books, listen to teachings from trusted elders, and continue to engage with your spiritual community. A well-informed practitioner is a powerful practitioner. Remember that your strongest spiritual shield is your character, your good character, which we call Ìwà Pẹlẹ in Yoruba language. By living a life of honesty, integrity, and respect, you create a spiritual energy around you that naturally repels negativity. A good heart is a fortress that no evil can penetrate. So, healing from a spiritual attack is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself. Give yourself grace. With these rituals and renewed sense of purpose, you can not only heal, but also transform this experience into a source of immense spiritual growth. I would love to hear from you. What rituals have helped you heal and restore your energy? Share your advice and stories in the comment section below so that others can be inspired. This brings us to the end of this series on spiritual attacks. I hope it has brought you clarity, empowerment, and peace of mind. May your path be blessed, your energy be clean, and your spirit be strong. Ashe. Thank you and bye for now.